Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So today Nifty created new all-time high 26,011 and also one of the best closings, and it's not only Nifty, Bank Nifty also created new all-time high. So yesterday's close and today's close for Nifty is indicating 25,940. So once it reached all-time high 26,011, so there was a quick profit booking happened from 26,011 to almost 25,940 level. So more than 70 points profit booking happened in last half an hour. And for futures, it was exactly 26,000. Spot, it was broken 26,000 mark. So the range for Nifty spot was around 125 points, whereas in futures, Nifty futures, it's just 100 points range only. So low was somewhere 25,900 and high was 26,000 level. So coming to NSE++, as per the God chart, it is still indicating bullish plus for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty it is bullish, and IT it is indicating neutral. This is overall final call from the application, and Fin Nifty is indicating bullish, mid cap is indicating bullish plus, and Reliance is indicating neutral. So now the two major things as per Nifty's spot point of view, IT and Reliance are indicating neutral. So now banks, its yesterday's close was above 54,000 mark and today's close was below 50,000 mark. So tomorrow we have Bank Nifty monthly expiry, and 53,400, still there are possibilities to reach 55,000 mark. So today's high was 54,000, almost 250 level. It's new all-time high, and range was around 343 points. Yesterday's range was more than 450 points. So as per intraday data, Nifty and Bank Nifty were closed in neutral note. As per weekly data, both are indicating very much positivity, and monthly data also too much strong. So here Nifty is indicating 3 arrow marks upside, and Bank Nifty also indicating 3 arrow marks upside. So coming to major data points. So as per candlestick view, so Nifty taken huge resistance at 25,980 level based on intraday data or 15-minute chart. And coming to weekly chart, so the two thicker lines are indicating at 25,990 to 998. So exactly it took resistance from there, 25,998 to 990 level. And at the same time, we have one more important level at one hour chart, that is 25,991. So first let us see the important values. So from almost 3 weeks, we are keep on saying that Nifty may reach 26,000 level in September month. So finally it reached. So the important data points, so 25,990 to 998 are the weekly resistance points from Nifty spot, and also 25,955, one more important level. And as per weekly data, 25,982 is 123.6% of last week's range. So here one more important point, 25,992. So now we need to consider this one and this one, this one and this one. All together it was created huge profit booking. So there are many levels nearby 26,000. So that's why within a minute, when it reached 26,000 mark, so within a minute, so from there profit booking happened almost more than 70 to 80 points. So now the important level would be 25,992. As and when it closes above at least for half an hour or 1 hour, then only we may expect fresh buying opportunity. Otherwise, market may go for some consolidation or little bit profit booking. So last 2 days it was closed exactly at 25,940 mark. So generally 2 days closing or 2 days high, if it is same, so generally it will be a trend reversal points. So but we need to take tomorrow's candles confirmation. So tomorrow if it closes below that level, so then we may expect somewhat profit booking from Nifty. And coming to candlestick view, as per FRE, so Fibonacci retracement and extension. So today's high was exactly 150% of yesterday's range. As per weekly data, it was 123.6% of last week's range and 150% of last month's range. So here 150% of last month's range was indicating somewhere 25,955 and 123.6% of FRE's last week's range was indicating somewhere 25,982. So exactly it took resistance over there. So as per FRE, two important points, and as per major data points, it was indicated 25,998 to 25,990 mark. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty yesterday it was closed above 54,000 mark and today it was closed below 54,000 mark. So today it's created one more new high, so 54,248 level. So from there it was fallen down, so more than 300 points fallen down and huge profit booking more than 300 points. So as per FRE, let us see, is there any important points? So yesterday's high was somewhere 54,197 or 198. So today's high was exactly same almost all same as per yesterday's high. So both days, yesterday and today, both Bank Nifty was faced resistance at 54,200 to 54,250. Now Bank Nifty, if we need to expect any further up momentum, so we need to consider that 54,200 to 250 mark. At least half an hour or 1 hour candle should be closed above that level. Then only we may expect further up move. So as per last week's data, 100% was 54,066. So today it was closed below that level, 54,066. So now 54,066 and 54,250, 200 to 250 would be the major resistance points for Bank Nifty. So coming to IT, IT was little bit up move today. So yesterday's low and today's high both are same. So yesterday's low, today's low, yesterday's high, today's high both are almost all same. So Nifty took support at yesterday's low and from there it went till 100% of yesterday's range. So and also which is equal to 38.2% of last week's range. So IT was little bit downside momentum and downward momentum, and today as per the move it was exactly faced resistance at last week's 38.2% Fibonacci retracement range, and also still it is holding 78.6% of last month's range, which is positive momentum will be continued. So the significance of above 61.8% or 78.6% would be the positive movement. Still we may expect positive movement. So coming to index movers, so the day momentum or sentiment was 25 out of 50 positive side and 25 out of 50 negative side. So majorly HDFC Bank, Tata Steel, Power Grid contributed positive side, and HCL, Reliance, Kotak Bank were on negative side. As per last 2 days data, so 28 out of 50 were closed on positive note and 22 out of 50 were closed on negative note. So majorly HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank both are in opposite direction. So ICICI Bank is going downside and HDFC Bank is going upside. So that's why yesterday and today both days Bank Nifty, it was no much momentum and it was faced one big resistance at 54,200 to 250 mark. So as per monthly data, there is some positivity. So from last 24 days data, so 700 points plus up, which is equal to 2.8% positivity. And majorly banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel was contributed positive side. TCS, Tata Motors, Reliance and Infosys were negative side contribution. So this 26,000 mark for Nifty majorly supported by Bank Nifty, especially private sector banks, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, today's sentiment was neutral, so almost all 137 points lost compared to yesterday's closing. So 3 were positive and 9 were negative out of 12. So HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, HDFC and Federal Bank were positive side. Kotak and PNB, ICICI, Axis, SBI, all are on downside note. So as per last 2 days data, HDFC Bank, SBI, Bank of Baroda were in positive side, and ICICI Bank majorly, ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank were closed on negative side. So as per monthly data, so from last 24 days, so HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, Kotak, Axis, all private sector banks performed well. So whereas public sector banks, SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank, IDFC, all these are all on a negative note. So coming to IT, IT was, compared to last 1 week data, IT was clearly up with all the 10 counters positive side, and from last 2 days data, yesterday's and today's data, so still Infy and TCS are major negative side contributors. So we need to expect some more positivity from Infosys and TCS. So monthly data, TCS and Infosys major downside contributors. So whereas other ones are very little bit upside. Overall 500 plus 544 points negative side from last 24 days. So coming to NSE plus, so all major indices, so Nifty for all the time frames, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, it is indicating bullish plus plus. So Bank Nifty is also almost all except daily indicating bullish plus. So IT somewhat neutral from weekly as well as monthly's data. So we may expect somewhat positivity IT from here, and Fin Nifty also very much strong, and mid cap also very much strong. Reliance still both weekly and monthly data, it is indicating somewhat neutral. Maybe we may expect Reliance and IT both will be somewhat positive turnout. So coming to Nifty plus, so majorly what are all the dependencies on Nifty? So Nifty dependencies, Bank Nifty, IT Nifty and Reliance. So all three, when we compare, the Bank Nifty was in positive side and Reliance and IT were in yellow zone. So coming to today's data, so major positivity contribution from Tata Steel, Hindalco, Power Grid, Techem and Adani Enterprise. So more than 1.5% to 4.5% up. And poor performers, so Sriram Finance, Ultrasimco, Grasim, HEL and SBI Life around 1.5% to 3% downside. So coming to index top 10s, so when we take Nifty 50, among that 50, top 10 heavyweights are, so HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI Bank, like that. So all these 10 are indicating 2 are in downside, 2 are in upside and 6 are in neutral. So first let us see the strong 2 counters, HDFC Bank and Bharti Airtel, and the weak counters or poor counters, Reliance and Axis Bank. Coming to last 2 days data, so 6 are in neutral and 1 is in downside and 3 are in upside. So HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, SBI are indicating upside, and the one counter which is in downside, it is TCS. So still TCS not yet started positivity. So though IT sector was showcasing somewhat positivity, but TCS still it is indicating weakness. As per monthly data, 6 out of 10 are indicating on positive side. So 2 are neutral and 2 are down. So the down ones, TCS and SBI. So coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty top 10 heavyweights. So 5 are showing in neutral and 4 are in down. So as per intraday data, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank and PNB are in downside. And weekly data, only one it is indicating downside, which is IndusInd Bank. Otherwise remaining 9 are indicating either neutral or positive. So as per monthly data, 6 banks are very much strong out of 10. So 2 are indicating downside. So SBI and PNB are indicating downside. Remaining all are indicating somewhat positivity. IT. So IT, as per intraday's data, 7 out of 10 were in positive and 3 are in neutral, no negative. So today there was some positive movement started from IT. Let us see tomorrow whether it will continue or not. So as per weekly data, 7 are in neutral, 2 are in upside and 1 is in downside. Let us see that one. So that one counter is TCS. So from IT pack, only TCS is indicating somewhat negativity, remaining 9 are showcasing somewhat positivity. So that's all about today's analysis. So as per Nifty, 26,000 mark broken. So 26,000 was major resistance as per data points. So if we want to expect some more upside momentum, we need to watch 26,000 mark. At least half an hour or 1 hour candle should be closed above that level. Then only we may expect till 26,173 level. So banks also created new all-time high, and 54,000 mark is one of the good support, but today the closing was below that, but still 55,000 mark we may expect either this week or next week. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet on next analysis. Thank you so much.